Think of this as a bleeding blood vessel. You're going to go in, take a bite, and think of this as you're forming a box around the vessel. Now we're going to go in diagonal to this to form that box. So you see you're starting to form an X, so it's a box with an X in the center. Now you're going to do an instrument tie. It's one knot, second knot, and a fourth knot to make sure we're very secure. And there you have it. You have your figure of 8 suture. This is going to provide a wonderful hemostasis of a bleeding wound or blood vessel. Now, this suture is not traditionally used to approximate tissue or close wounds. It's solely to stop bleeding.